Hello students, how's you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and happy at your home. So, my name is Shelly and I am your computer teacher. Now, it's time to learn new in computer subjects. So, today our topic is computer networking. What is computer network? A computer network is a system of interconnected computers and peripheral devices. For example, it may connect computers, printers, scanners and cameras. So, what is communication between the network? It is about the transfer of information from sender to the receiver. So, what are the types of network? There are three types of networks are there. First is LAN, local area network. Second is MAN, metropolitan area network. And third is WAN, wide area network. So, what is local area network? Local network area is the smallest network compared to the other two networks. The simplest form of LAN to connect two computers together. LAN is operated with the limited physical area such as at your home, schools, hospitals, a single building or several buildings. MAN. MAN is a metropolitan area network. MAN is bigger as compared to local area network. So, what is metropolitan? Describe it is important cities like New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Chennai, etc. Companies that have several branches within the Mumbai city such as bank use a MAN. So now what is WAN? WAN is a wide area network. WAN is the largest network of all network types. WAN generally covers large distance such as states, countries, etc. For example, international banks also use WAN to connect their computers all over the world. WAN is a group of MAN or LAN of mixture of both networks. So, what is the difference between LAN, MAN and WAN? That is a comparison. I will tell you what is the difference between them. First is cost. The cost of LAN is very low as compared to MAN and WAN. Second one is network size. The network size of LAN is very small, but MAN's network size is larger and the WAN network size is largest. Now, what about speed? The LAN speed is very faster, MAN speed is slower and WAN speed is very slower. Now, what is number of computers connected to LAN? In the LAN, smallest computers are connected with it. In MAN, large computers are connected with it. And the WAN, largest computers are connected with it. I hope type of network is clear to all. Now, our next topic is topologies. Network topologies. Different type of network topologies are bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, hierarchical topology. These are the different type of topologies are there. Bus topology, ring topology, star topology and tree topology. This is the mesh topology. We will describe one by one. So number one is bus topology. See that this is a bus topology. There are server computers are there and that is a cable. So what is bus topology? A bus topology consists of single central cable to which all computers and devices connect. Very common in LAN, must have common backbone to connect all devices. Sometimes a bus network has more than one server. Thank you. Now, second is ring topology. In this ring topology, there are several computers connected to one single cable. A ring topology consists of all computers and other devices that are computer connected to a loop. Can be found in LAN, each node directly connected to neighborhood nodes. So, what is ring topology? In the ring topology, just like a ring topology consists of all computers and other devices that are connected in a loop. Can be found in a LAN. Each node directly connected to the neighboring node. That is a ring topology. Now, what is star topology? Star topology is work like a star. In star topology, a star topology consists of central host which act as a center and all nodes connected to the host. In a star topology, every node will not connect to the neighboring node, but in ring topology, every node connected to the neighboring node, but in that star topology, every node will not connect to the neighboring node. That is the main difference. So, what is tree topology? Tree topology is the combination of bus and the star topology. It is also known as hierarchical network. This is the nodes of some devices are linked to a centrally located hub which is called the active hub. That is a tree topology. Now, last one is mesh topology. In the mesh topology is a network where all the nodes are connected to each other and is a complete network. It is called the self-healing technology where it receives data one way or the other. In this network, very lesser chances to network breakdown. I hope network topologies and type of network is clear to all. So our next topic is network architecture. So what is network architecture? Network architecture also known as network model or network design. Network architecture that describe how computer is used. There are two types of network architecture. Number one is peer-to-peer model and second one is client-to-server model. So I will clear you with the picture. That is a peer-to-peer model. In this client-to-server model. In this one server is there and so many clients are there. But in that peer-to-peer model, there are several clients are there but no server is there. So what is the main difference between that? In that server to client model, there is a higher cabling cost because so many clients are there and so many cables are there. But in peer-to-peer model, one cable is connected to all the clients. But the main other difference is that easy to manage. In the client server model, very easily manage all the clients. But in that peer-to-peer model, hard to manage all the clients. The other difference is that one powerful computer acting as a server. There is a powerful server is here, but here no powerful server is needed. Okay. I hope computer network topic is clear to all. Some topics are left. We will discuss in the next video.